Biggest snowstorm to hit California mountains. The most extreme weather is forecast for the highest elevations in the Sierra Nevada region. Several ski resorts closed their doors across California in preparation for the massive snowstorm. Californian officials closed off roads and warned of extremely dangerous to impossible travel conditions. The Weather Prediction Center warned of a high chance of substantial, long-lasting disruptions and possible avalanches. Yosemite National Park closed for the weekend due to the impending snowstorm. The storm comes after a slow start to the snow season in the region, with conditions expected to improve on Monday.